now that we know how to find the area of a sector of a circle based on the equation, let's actually apply it with some problems. Okay, so number 4, I want to make sure that equation is still up there while I do number 4. So number 4, one of the things we need to know is our theta. So that our theta would be this 20 degrees because that's also the arc measure. And we also need to know our radius because we have to find the area of the circle. Okay, so area, remember, is pi r squared. Okay, and we have our radius, so this is our r. So we can actually go ahead and find our area of our sector. I'm going to go ahead and just put A. So we're going to go ahead and do 20 over 360, because remember that's the fraction of the whole circle. That's like the fraction, the slice that this is. The area of the circle would be pi times our radius squared. You can actually simplify 20 over 360. You can do that little zero trick where you cut them off, and then 2 over 36 is 1/18 times, and then 3 squared is 9, so 9 pi. I can simplify this by putting the 9 over 1, so we get 9 pi over 18, which is pi over 2, 1 over 2. And then remember our units, since it's meters, and since we're talking about area, we're going to put square meters. And there is the answer. Now, once again, they tell us to keep it in terms of pi. If they don't tell you to keep it in terms of pi, just type pi over 2 into your calculator, and you'll get an approximate answer, and so on. So we have the exact answer here. Okay, let's go to number 5. Same idea. I'm going to keep that equation up there if I can. So we once again have our theta right here is 60 degrees. Our radius is 12. So we can just go for it. So we have the area is equal to 60 over 360, because we're trying to figure out what fraction of the circle this little region is. Then we're going to multiply that by the area of the circle, so pi times 12 squared. So our area, 60 over 360, would be 1/6. If you simplify that. And this is 144 pi, because 12 squared is 144. And you can simplify that because you get 144 pi over 6, or 24 pi. And then let's remember our units. So this is square inches. Because of our unit right there. Okay. Not too shabby. Let's go to our last one. Number 6. So once again, we're writing our area. We're finding the exact answer, or in terms of pi. Now this time, the sector, we don't have the arc measure that's bounded with this sector. We have the other, so we have the minor arc measure. We need to find the major, so we're going to do 360 minus that 120 degrees. You get 240 degrees. And then that's our theta. And then 2 centimeters is our radius. So let's go ahead and find our area. So area is, don't know what happened there. Oh, you know what? I know what happened. There we go. Area is 240 degrees over 360 multiplied by our pi times our radius squared. And then we're going to go ahead and simplify that. So 240, or 24 over 36, because you can get rid of that, simplifies down to 2 over 3 times 4 pi. I can put that 4 pi over 1 and multiply straight across. 8 pi over 3. And then we just need to remember our units, square centimeters. So 8/3 does not simplify down, which is why I'm done. Just for fun, let's go ahead and find the approximate answer for this one. So 8 pi over 3, it might be good practice for you to see if you've got it down. But if you find the approximate answer, or the answer with the decimal, and you type it in, you should get approximately 8.38 square centimeters. So that's the approximate. So it's not in terms of pi. This one's the exact, or in terms of pi.